Hey guys, let's make blueberry jam with this yummy blueberry I picked from the bush. So I'll be adding 3 cups of blueberry frozen. I'm using frozen because I stored everything in the freezer. And I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar and zest from 1 orange. Then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use zest of lemon, but I'm using zest of orange because I love the orange flavor in it. Then I will stir everything together. Meanwhile, I'm cooking on a low heat so that it will caramelize and not burn. So I'll be stirring it continuously. If you leave it, sugar caramelizes and it can burn fast if you don't stir it. So I'll be stirring it continuously but on a low heat, just like so. I will stir and I will leave it for a while, about a minute or thereabout. Then I will stir it again. Now, as you can see, everything has dissolved, but because I'm using frozen, it will take a longer time to cook till I get the consistency. But had it been I'm using like fresh blueberry, it will not take too much time to cook. Otherwise, another thing you can do is to sieve it once the frozen blueberry has melted before cooking it. But no, I don't want to sieve out the juice. I just want to cook it with the juice till the juice vaporizes or disappears. Then after a while, it will start thickening up, as you can see. Now I will take it down once I got the consistency that I need, and I will allow it to cool down for a while before stirring it into a clean sterilized jar. So this jar, I have washed it and parboiled hot water and soaked it inside for a while before using it. So it is very clean, and because this blueberry, I did not use any additives to make it to last long, so it needs to be stored in the fridge for at least 2 weeks so you can enjoy it with your bread or even pancake or waffle. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this video and if you want to give it a try, do so. Leave your comments below, share the video, give this video thumbs up and subscribe. Bye till I see you in my next one.